Today we have a Blagdon pond oxygenator 2400 that doesn't work. As you can see, it's fairly rough on the outside. Let's take a look under the hood. So, I'm not actually sure what's wrong with this. I don't really want to test it just yet, but I'm taking it apart, and where this sits here like this, a pile of dust that's come out of this hole. So, yeah. Maybe I'll take this panel off. The person who asked me to fix it said that there was an issue. The pump was running, but it didn't generate any bubbles. So obviously the air's not getting through somehow. Right then, let's sort them off. Oh no, wait, there's one right there. Go. One more tight. This looks like, oh, it's one in the middle. Covered in some sort of dust. There we go. Oh. Didn't expect it to be, well, that. So that's just a piece of rubber, obviously seal. Then the seal is made around this point here. And then the air is pumped in through here from the pump, these 2 points. And then it just makes its way around this little maze. So it gets pumped into here, and then probably goes like that. I don't know why you would need this, but maybe it does something to the air. I don't know. But to me, I would say that there's not a lot wrong with that. So it must be in this. So if we can hear the pump moving, but no air is being generated, maybe start with these ends. Right there. Let's have a look under here. Okay. Some sort of diaphragm pump, as you can see the diaphragm there. And then this will be like a piece of rubber. Shall we see if we can clean it? Nice. Filthy. Anyway, yeah. Looks like it's intact. Right. So look at the other side. Just give us a quick clean. I mean, IPA probably isn't the best for rubber, but it's all I got. So we shall leave that there, like so. And take a look on the other side. Also looks good on that bit. Let's go into town with a little cotton swab. Check there's no perforations. Looks good to me. Again, that seal looks pretty good. I think we'll probably have to go a bit deeper. Although it's a magnetic screwdriver, and I just stuck that in, and I don't know if you can see that swath. It's down in that corner. It's where springs and diaphragms explode everywhere. Okay, a couple of things. We know what the problem is. Well, I'm going to make you guys wait for it. We can't move that light a bit. Right, here we go. So if we look down this side, like I said, with regards to the diaphragm, I think this looks as if maybe it splits. Yeah, there you go. And that's the issue. And it looks like both sides has got the issue. If you look down there, you can see there's a big hole as well. Probably been operating with just one for a while, and then the other one's gone, and so has all the air. I don't know whether it's worth carrying on with this. Oh man, that's cool. There we go, guys. The offending part. I don't know if you can get these. If you can, that's good. I think it's probably highly unlikely. So what I'll do, I'll have a quick Google and see what we can do.
Hello. So, what must have seemed like only seconds has actually been a couple of days, and we have some new parts. So these were $7.25 each. I'm hoping we've got everything we need. You can see that there's a washer in there, but we'll see. Right then, let's give it a clean. Proper clean. So I've got my light back, and I've removed the plug again. Right, I checked these when it was going, and that was coming out fine. Lots of airflow. So that's all rubbish. This is the base, the buttery biscuit base. Yeah. Right, that's that. Let's bring this bad boy back in. Goes in there. Same on the other side. And then, I think what I'll do is secure that base first. Yes. Nice. Well. Not in there. Up there. Just give it a quick clean. And there we go, guys, all done. Did give it a bit of a clean up. Just needs, there's a little bit of residual lime scale and stuff around the outside. But yeah, fully working, tested, all good, ready to go back to the customer. Thanks for watching, and if you like watching this sort of thing, give us a thumbs up and a subscribe, and stay tuned for more. Cheers.